Hey guys!
Hi guys.
Honey, your head is got?
Yeah, but I can be like this. It's okay.
Welcome back to another mukbang. What's up, you guys?
But this is Bella, you see?
Bella is running away.
She's running away for some reason.
My head is cut too. Anyway.
Yeah. Well, do you want to lift it up a little bit?
No. This is hot, baby. It's kind of...
Watch out.
I hope you can see it. This is this is how we cook chicken back home when we kill the chicken that we raise. And this is my grandma's recipe. Boiled cucumber with honey.
And this is Bella, and this is Bella.
Yeah. Here, baby, all your things are in cubes, okay?
Cool.
And this one, I didn't show you the recipe, but it's ghost pepper, ngari, and beans and bean sprouts that we made. So before we start eating, I want to shout out, like very quick shout out, and apologize to Otoli Achumi. He said 7th February was her friend's birthday, and the name is Dudu, and also her brother's name Inohoto. Dudu and Inohoto on 7th February. So belated happy birthday, and so sorry that we missed out.
Yeah. Shout out to the coldest water bottle.
Coldest water bottle.
Yeah, it keeps the water very cold for ages now.
Oh my gosh, it's splashing everywhere, baby.
It's fine. It's supposed to splash, it's a good food. Splashy.
And this is my husband's first time eating chicken this way.
And this is Bella running away. Why don't you stay?
Here you go. Hope you like it, baby. And I gave you one herbs there.
Yeah.
The herbs is that's the only one that survived in my pot.
Yeah.
I brought it from Mumbai.
Too steady.
Start eating, honey.
Okay, baby.
It's gonna be a little bit watery today, huh?
Yeah, that's okay. Steady.
And you have to try this liver.
Okay, guys. So one hand, I will eat with one hand because I'm gonna control Bella with the other hand. Because a lot of you Bella lovers are missing Bella.
Yeah.
But she doesn't want to stay anymore with us while we're eating. She thinks it's a torture.
It's not, baby.
She thinks.
Before she likes to stay here a lot. Suddenly she just changed. Here, baby. Steady. Okay.
I love these sprouts, baby.
Yeah, we love these sprouts. Buon appetito.
So this is a grandma's recipe, yeah?
Yeah, grandma's or like mostly in my village they will cook like this. So you don't need like lots of masalas to cook chicken.
Yeah.
Or pork. Or beef. Dagon radish. It will be so good if we have chayote. Squash.
Tastes wonderful, baby.
Try chicken liver. It's perfect.
Yeah?
Because it's not overcooked. Is it good?
I'm gonna marry you. Sadie, you have to be with us, eh? There are people missing you all over the place.
If anybody's wondering how a lemongrass smells like, it smells like, you call it yongba.
Like
El
lemon.
Shotzi or something like that, the name.
It smells like lemon, huh?
A little bit lemony. I will write it down.
It is very yummy, baby.
You sure? Just very simple.
There is potato here, no?
No. No potato today.
It would be like, there would be potato. A Serbian add-on. Potato and everything. Wow, guys, how are you guys? How are you spending your days? Holidays are long gone. Hey, what's up with these guys?
Here, baby.
Everybody says that I look like a villain from the Hollywood movies. What is that, baby? Okay, please comment which villain I'm looking at. Like, which villain I'm looking.
I look like...
Huh? English is gone. Which villain do I look like? Let's make a competition.
Like which villain, yeah?
Like which villain? Please, let it be some cool villains, okay? I even cut my hair, shave my beard a little bit, not to look like a villain.
Because of the comments?
Yeah. Like, I don't want people to to look at me and say like, he's a bad guy. I have enough of that in my real life.
Really?
People thinking that I'm really like bad. And then as soon as they meet me, they're like, oh, I didn't expect you like that. I was like, you would be 1001 who said that. Anyway.
Remember, guys, don't cook chicken liver more than 20 minutes. If you cook more than 20 minutes, it will become grainy and...
But you know what, maybe?
Not good.
If you cook it like that more than 20 minutes, then it becomes that kind of grainy. And then you cut a garlic. Garlic, and then put it with the... Oh my god.
I know that's your favorite.
Oh, only because we're talking about grandma's food. That's how the grandma made it for me before. You know? Oh. Wow. Really nice, baby.
Take more chicken, baby. All the cubes.
All the cubes and cubes.
They are the chicken breasts. Yosh? Huh?
She would like some Yosh. Guys, did you check out the vlog how we are making bacon in Serbia?
Yeah, check out our
you will
vlog,
love
guys.
it, yeah? A lot of bacon. When you enter that room.
Yeah. But that also for his kids too, I think. He
No,
has two sons.
that one inside was only for Ljubica, my father, and him.
This time his sons are not included.
I think they already
Pick it up.
Pick it up, yeah.
Because last year was more.
Friend called me from the mountain. Said there was a storm there.
Tangkhul? Remember the other day the wind? How windy it was?
My God. It was very windy, yeah? Like, when I say very windy, like things were falling down. It was ripping things, like gates, roofs. It was really bad.
Let her go, baby.
That's just a dollar. Oi, what kind of an exit is that? Oh, the pepper went into my throat.
Why?
I was reading the comments about these college people are always saying
Because
hi.
the hostel.
Hi to all the colleges that are watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please guys, if you like this, subscribe so you can see more upcoming videos coming up your way. And if you're an all-time subscriber, then you know that you need to hit that notification bell to get the notifications, yeah?
Can I have some water, honey?
Yes, my love. It's a coldest water bottle.
Coldest water. That was good.
Yeah? Nice.
I'm
I
so
love
full.
this. I love this chicken, baby.
You really like that?
I like those sprouts, baby. Like, I was watching some YouTube channels about the sprouts, about the healthiness of the sprouts, and what I found out is that the sprouts have they're more potent than the grown.
Nutritious?
Yeah, more nutritious, more things, and some things that the grown-up plant doesn't have, you know. So it's really, really healthy. And you wanna know, guys, you can actually grow sprouts in your home, and it's really.
They're
not a
very
big deal.
tasty too.
Yeah, and they're not really a big deal to grow. Let me take some Tangkhul radish. They stay hot for a very long time, baby. Tea time. Oh,
I
guys.
just have like a little few shout outs, so I'm just gonna shout out before he finishes eating. Sometimes we don't have time to shout out, sometimes we do.
Did you see how many shoutouts last time?
It was a lot.
No.
So the first shout out is for Awang Newmai, for his friends Jordan and Rachel. They want advice from us, like they want to adopt a puppy.
Oh, okay. That's a really, really nice of you, like very humane.
Yeah. So it's really good to have a pet if you don't have regular jobs. I don't know.
Well,
Like leaving them, if they are like the small puppy like Bella, leaving them alone in the house, like really stress them out. So it's not so good for them.
also you have to have conditions for a puppy. If it's a big puppy, he needs to run, he needs to walk. He needs to, it's not really nice if you keep him inside.
In the house, yeah? In the apartment.
And if you are adopting the puppy, then try to find a small one. Then you can teach him, you know, how you live and how to behave. Train him, train him properly. Because it's very important, you know, for him to listen to stop when he needs to stop. Because they're puppies, they go wherever they want.
And now the next one is Akam Gaimun. Hi Akam, how are you?
Hey,
Please shout out for my friend Ajenla.
Ajela.
She watched our video, so hi Ajenla, thanks so
Hi.
much for watching.
Hi, Ajela.
And this is from Johnny King, remember?
Oh,
Johnny
yeah.
King. Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
So on February 17, his friend's birthday, and she studies in Delhi JNU and stays in another hostel.
Yeah.
And her name is Vilila Chan.
Vilila Chan, yeah?
Yeah, Vilila Chan.
Nice.
Thanks for watching.
Hi guys.
And now the next one is Imsuren Balongchar. Shout out from my friend.
Hi.
My Bay friend. Anye.
Anye.
On 23rd February.
23rd
birthday.
February, yeah?
Yeah. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And shout out to Jonathan Lalom Sanga from Aizol.
Yeah.
Hi Jonathan, thanks so much for watching. And last one is Sakurepla Imjen.
Sakurepla Imjen.
She said, you call me Kristen also. Kristen. Yeah?
Kristen it is.
She said, hello mom and dad.
Yes, son.
Or maybe a girl. Kristen is a girl. Honey.
I know, but you know how the fathers always call, even if it's a girl or a boy, they call him son. You know?
Yeah, I love you both a lot. Lots of love from Nagaland. Always a big fan.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
Hi Kristen.
That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you like this mukbang, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to us. Let's push it to 50k, and we are giving away lots of stuff.
Yeah.
And all the links are down below for the water bottle, for our t-shirt, our merch, our store, and other videos, our Q&A videos, and our vlog. We just post a new video. So
summer is coming, so get your things ready, to be in front of everybody.
Yeah, that's all for today.
Guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
We'll
Have a nice day.
see you in the next mukbang. Are you gonna sing or not?
Not today.
You promised that.
I promise I'm gonna sing in the next mukbang. I'm gonna learn the song.
Okay.
Good.
So.
Hey, whoever missed this, and bye.
Bye. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Have a nice day, everybody. Bye.
Say bye, Bella. Bye.
Bravo.
She's good now.